This conference will now be recorded.
Greetings, Dwayne, CFRN, CT Global Media. I want to welcome you to Logic 247. Now, Beat the Market Incorporated. Is that the approach? You wake up every day and say, man, I got to nail the market today. I'm going to hammer it. I'm going to tear it up. I'm going to rip it to shreds. I'm going to annihilate it. Wow, that'll wear you out. It's dangerous. It's expensive. And there's a better way. You can turn your sparring partner into a business partner with logic. True story. Logic 247, where opportunity finds you. We've been conducting of late a public beta on our next release, which is Logic 247. Our concierge trade alerts were free during our public beta test, which ran for 3 years on Twitter and a couple of other sites, a couple of other public sites where we didn't have access to the time and date stamp. Now, the concierge trade alerts, as most of you know, went on to become a premium product, and almost 3 years. 3 years in beta, 3 years on the market, and of course, during the CTA, the Concierge Trade Alert beta test, it was free for those who participated. And today, that same product is offered through an annual subscription at a rate of $10,000 a year, which I still think is an incredible bargain. There is a quarterly option available, and our active CFRN partners have a lifetime subscription opportunity at a special rate designed specifically for the partners. Now, Logic 247 takes all we've achieved over the past 6 years to the next level. Clients have the ability to receive individual high probability trade alerts around the clock, wherever you are at any given time on planet Earth. If you're in active mode, our messenger app will find you and deliver opportunities until you're done for the day. That's when you hit snooze, and when you're ready to trade again, we'll be waiting for you. Logic 247 continues the proud tradition of the concierge by finding important prices and important areas in the most popular futures markets. The directional alert is messaged to you with entry and target. Often there will be multiple targets as part of our aggressive risk management trading strategy. The next level with Logic brings you the opportunity in real time as it arises. Instead of receiving a bundled message once a day, these alerts with both entry and target will flow 24/7. Also, each trade alert is documented, whatever the outcome. Trades that represent a unique or classic technical component will also be published with a narrative and chart. Once the trade is complete, whatever the outcome, we will do a final recap the following day or the day after the trade has completed. And that final recap will be accompanied with a 5 to 10 minute video, which will walk you through every step of the trade from entry to management to exit. The Logic also comes with complete training and unlimited one-on-one mentoring. Also something that we've never done outside the walls of CFRN, which is another member of the CT Global Media family, the one most folks are familiar with, CFRN.net. We are going to provide the Logic 247 clients with our weekly trading zones, which we have published every Monday morning at 6:15 a.m. Eastern before Wall Street wakes up since December 14th of 2009. We're coming up on 9 years with the weekly trading zones. During training and in mentoring sessions, we will work with you closely to make sure you understand how to triangulate each trading opportunity to make sure it ticks every box on even the most discriminating trader's wish list. Our beta test has had fantastic results and rave reviews. Over the next week or so, we're bringing together a focus group to help us evaluate the retail pricing of the product. It will help us determine when it hits the shelves what the final price will be. In the meantime, as numbers are being crunched, we want to extend a special offer to everyone who participated in the beta. Your feedback has been invaluable, and we still have, at the time of this recording, a couple days left, which I very much look forward to. We believe we've outdone our best work to date with logic. I've already discussed the current price on our concierge trade alerts. After that extended beta, 3 years on Twitter, we released the service at a sliver of the current price. As demand grew, so did expenses and expectations, and ultimately the prices began to reflect the wide acceptance and daily use of our CTA service. Once the focus group sets our go-to-market price, we've agreed to go to market at exactly that price, no haggling, we're just going to do it. So listen closely. If you were in the beta and already know this is how you want to trade, to say thanks, you have the opportunity right now to lock in an annual rate of $1,000, guaranteed never to go up, for life. $1,000 a year, guaranteed never to go up, for life. Each year on your anniversary date, your renewal will go through at the introductory price for as long as you remain a client. I know that some of you, from talking with you, would like something a little more substantial, so here you go. Until the focus group comes back with the retail price, you can lock in a lifetime membership for $19.97, $1,997. So bottom line, $1,000 a year for the rest of your life, or $2,000 one time, one payment, and you've got Logic 247 for the rest of your life. Those of you that did not participate in the beta but have seen the results and know already this is how you want to trade, your annual rate right now till the focus group comes back is $19.97, $1,997, guaranteed to never increase as long as you remain active with Logic 247. Now, if you want to lock in a lifetime subscription, $34.97. That's a one-time payment, and you'll be trading with Logic for life. Time is short, so please be in contact. These temporary introductory prices will be gone as soon as we have the focus group's report. If you have any questions, please call us at 949-42-EMINI or email us support@cfrn.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you at the bell and on the radio. Take care.